Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making a seared sirloin steak salad with homemade vinaigrette. That'll be delicious, so hopefully you'll enjoy. Now the first thing we're gonna do is make the vinaigrette, and then we're gonna cook the steak up, and we're gonna prep everything that goes on the salad and put it all together and taste, of course, and then we'll be done. Cut it up real fine. We're gonna squeeze that right into this measuring cup. This is where we'll be mixing everything. Make sure you let all the juice come out. You guys will see why I'm doing this in the measuring cup in a minute. Don't want to give away the surprise. Make sure you push that oil out, because not all of it's going to come out on its own. If it does, you'll be standing here all day. Let's taste it and see if it tastes like it's supposed to. Yep. Yep, it's definitely on the right track. Once the flavors sit in there more, it'll be perfect. So I got this cute little container from the dollar store, little vinaigrette container, and I will be pouring it in this. Slow and steady wins the race. No, I'm not gonna let that stay in there. I'm gonna get that fork.
Xzachlyee.
I'm gonna need a bigger container. Here we go. Upgrade. By the way, make sure you rinse your fruits and vegetables every time. As you can see, these are rinsed. Never skip a beat with that one. You don't know who touched it, where it's been, what's been on it. Just rinse the physical off at least.
Xzachlyee.
Y'all, I ain't never cut no onion long ways. I just seen somebody decorate something. Yeah, I'm gonna use a not so dangerous knife so I don't cut myself.
Xzachlyee.
Okay, so right now we have our salad.
Xzachlyee.
So I hope this recipe was easy to follow. Hopefully when you try it out at home, it comes out great. It is very tasty. I'm still eating off of it. And the way I made it through this video is for 2 people. So if you're just cooking for yourself, you have enough left for later. So I'm gonna get some steak, get some of the leaves, spring leaves, get a piece of cucumber. What am I missing? Got an onion, tomato, lettuce, steak, cucumber. It's delicious. Guys, this is really good. Can't wait for my boyfriend to try it. Honestly, it would be good without steak. But I'm not vegetarian or vegan or anything yet. So I still like my meats. This was not the plan, but I definitely just crushed this on camera. Funny story, I put grape tomatoes in there And before today, I hated raw tomatoes, but I wanted to make the salad look pretty. So I was like, I have to use grape tomatoes. I have to use something like bright. Tomatoes, everybody puts tomatoes in their salad. I hate tomatoes. Well, hated. I tasted the grape tomato before I put it in. I was like, oh, it's tolerable. I thought I was gonna pick it out while I ate the salad, but I ate it. I also hated raw onions until today, but I ate that too. So, yeah. This was the kicker. All I did was add salt and pepper to the meat. This was the main thing. I'd say I did great. Here's the taste. Yeah! So hopefully you like this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below any suggestions or whatever you'd like to comment. Share it with a friend, family, strangers. I don't care. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
IAmNotAChef.